Hey, this is Dan with freeweeklymastermind.com, and today we are learning how to use the Google URL Builder. This is a tool that can help you pinpoint exactly how people are coming to your site. And I'll give you an example of why you would use this. For instance, you send out a newsletter every month, September, June, May, and people come to your site from that newsletter. Now, currently, you're probably seeing that as an email referral traffic, since people are clicking it in the email, and you don't really know exactly which newsletter that came from. So with the Google URL Builder, you can actually put a new URL, a new link into your newsletter, and you could code it. You could create it so that Google understands this link comes from your September newsletter, or this link comes from your October newsletter. And in fact, you could put two different ones in your September newsletter. You could put one in Article 1 September newsletter. You could code one Article 2 September newsletter to get an idea of, are people scrolling down and reading your entire newsletter, or are they just reading the top article? So the way this works, and first you have to go to, I only know of one way to get here, and that is going to Google and searching for Google URL Builder. That's it. Here's the address, but I never remember that. So go to Google, search for Google URL Builder. So then you want to put in the URL of your website, where you're linking to, and then in source, in this example, you would put September newsletter, and then medium, it would probably go out by email, so put email, and then name, you could put Article 1, Article 2, sidebar, whatever it is. And then when you generate the URL, and let me do one for you live, Dan.com, campaign source, Friday notes, I'll just put notes, campaign medium, email, campaign name, let's see, my Friday notes, so let's put footer. I'm going to put this link in the footer. Then when we press generate URL, here is the link that people are going to click, and it has the information in it: notes, medium, email, campaign, footer. Now when you go into your Google Analytics, that will show up in your campaign section, which is in the left hand sidebar. That's pretty much it. Use this for, this is a really ugly link right here, so you could use a bit.ly or a redirect to go to that, and you could put that on your flyers if you're doing some sort of conference or something and you're handing out flyers. So you could track exactly that people came from your September conference, September flyer. Alright, that's about it. This is Dan Morris, lettersfromdan.com and freeweeklymastermind.com.